Well, staying with politics in Tamil Nadu, ahead of the upcoming assembly elections in the state, actor turned politician Kamal Haasan, the other superstar, and his party have suffered something of a blow. A former organizational head of the Makkal Needhi Mayam, A. Arunachalam, has jumped ship and joined the BJP today in the presence of Prakash Javadekar. Arunachalam was one of the founding members of Kamal Haasan's political party and had served as its general secretary for organization. He said to have established Kamal Haasan's M&M in rural areas of Tamil Nadu. Arunachalam said that he took the decision to join the BJP after Kamal Haasan refused to support the centre's farm laws. He said that coming from a farming family, he knew the benefits of the laws. And he said that he told Kamal Haasan that as a centrist party, if M&M did not support the government on farm laws, then there would be no difference between them and the opposition in Tamil Nadu.
ஏன் மக்கள் நீதி மையத்திலிருந்து பாரதிய ஜனதாவுக்கு நாங்கள் வந்தோம் என்று உங்களுக்கு கேள்வி எழலாம். விவசாயிகளின் நலனும் பாதுகாப்பும் கருதி விவசாயிகளுக்கு ஒரு முக்கியமான மூன்று வேளாண் சட்டங்களை கொண்டு வரும் பொழுது ஒரு தொலைநோக்கு சிந்தனையோடு பிரதம மந்திரி மாண்புமிகு நரேந்திர மோடி அவர்களும் ஒரு அற்புதமான ஒரு தொலைநோக்கு சிந்தனையோடு விவசாயிகளுக்கு 3 சட்டங்களை வழிவகுத்து கொடுத்திருக்கிறாங்க. அப்போ அந்த சட்டங்களை நான் ஒரு விவசாய குடும்பத்திலிருந்து வந்தவன், இன்றும் விவசாயத்தை பூர்வீக தொழிலாக நான் கொண்டுள்ளேன்.
Let's go across to Akshaya Nath, who's still with us on this story. Akshaya, how much of a blow is this to Kamal Haasan with Arunachalam jumping ship? He's taken, an ideological viewpoint on the farm laws and has said that I need to get out of this party if it's not going to support the farm laws. That's a pretty big decision to make.
Well, yes, certainly, Shiv, because it would come as a shock for people in Makkal Needhi Mayam as well, because Arunachalam is one of the founding members of the party. He was there right from the time that Kamal Haasan had launched that party, and he was also the organizational secretary for the party. And, today when Prakash Javadekar, a senior minister of the BJP, was in town, we saw how Arunachalam has come and joined. And the reason that he gave is about the farm laws, the 3 farm laws which are being widely opposed by many political parties in the state of Tamil Nadu, M&M included, is against the farm law, stating that people have been protesting in Delhi for years, for long months, and it needs to go away. The Prime Minister needs to listen to them, was what a statement Kamal Haasan had given a few days back. So, while Kamal is taking such a step, members close to him moving out of the party, stating that they have a different agenda altogether. That kind of is shocking, because Kamal has been talking about bringing about that big political change in the state, a corruption-free government and people-friendly government. And are people within his party doubting his intentions is something that we'll have to wait and watch.
We'll keep a very close watch on that. Interesting developments in poll-bound Tamil Nadu. Akshaya, thank you very much for joining us with that story. That's a wrap on 5 Live. Keep watching 6 p.m. Prime with Ankit Tyagi.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.